Hi, this is Zachary Ball with Omnis Technologies. Continuing our series on the NIST audits. Today we're going to be covering level 4. We took a break last week, been really busy here lately. So level 4 consists of 153 controls and 17 categories. We're getting an additional 23 controls, no new categories. And then as always, we'll be updating an updated Excel spreadsheet with what the levels are and what the actual official language is. So since there's not any new categories, I'm going to be going in depth a little bit into the categories that add the most controls. The most controls added are risk management and system communication protection. So risk management, and these are just some of the points, they're not all of them. Risk management, one of them is develop and update as required a plan of managing supply chains for risks associated with IT supply chains. What a time to be alive. You can't get anything. I can't get any computers. Everything's on back order. So the risks associated with the supply chain when you need networking equipment, computers, whatever. If you're buying it from someone else, they're getting it from someone else, it's got to be shipped from somewhere to you. Employ threat intelligence to inform and develop systems and security architecture. One of my favorite things about the NIST audit is language, and a lot of this is interpretation. So basically developing a plan to employ threat protection. That could be all kinds of things. I'll leave that one up to you. Perform scans for unauthorized ports available across network boundaries over organizational internet. Now this one's pretty straightforward. So how do you scan ports on the internet coming in, what's on the network, making sure there's nothing that's going across those ports that shouldn't be. Maybe you close those ports before they even come into the network, possibly. So next category is system and communication protection. These are just some of the points. Utilize threat intelligence to look into DNS requests from malicious sites. That's pretty straightforward. Employ mechanisms to analyze executables coming in. This is also known as sandboxing. So sandboxing can be used on a couple of different levels. You can have firewalls that sandbox things when you're downloading them. You can have sandboxing on email attachments before they come in. This is one of those fairly new ones that we've seen added to the NIST audit. Utilize URL categorization service and implement technologies to enforce URL filtering from malicious websites. That's also pretty straightforward. So, like I said, if you have any questions here at Omnis Tech, we can try to help you out as best as we can with the NIST. Go ahead and contact us at info@omnistech.com or tech support@omnistech.com.